Just 3 months ago, the escalating US-China trade war induced a global panic, sparking a sell-off in stocks. Now investors around the world are shrugging off their concerns. Sentiment is improving, allowing markets to continue pushing higher. US stock indices climbed to record highs on Friday amid investors' growing optimism over progress in US-China trade talks. Thus, the S&P 500 index hit its fourth consecutive record close on Friday. The index ended at 3,120.46, posting a 1.14 rise from previous Friday's close. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed above 28,000 for the first time ever. After posting a fourth straight week of gains, the Dow closed at 28,004.89 on Friday, logging a 1.19% increase on a weekly basis. Adding to the positive sentiment, China has lifted a nearly 5-year ban on imports of the US poultry in a goodwill gesture that could lead to more than $1 billion in annual shipments to China. Traders have also reacted positively to a report from the Commerce Department showing US retail sales rebounded by slightly more than expected in the month of October. In the meantime, the Nasdaq Composite also followed other benchmarks' rise. The Nasdaq Composite Index was up by 0.73% on Friday to close at 8,540.83. For the week, the tech-heavy index gained 1.26%. The shares jumped by 8.95% on Friday to close at $62.06 per unit. For the week, the stock price advanced by 10.9%. Among top-performing stocks, shares in Applied Materials Incorporated rose after the chip GM maker predicted quarterly results above estimates as it expects more clients to upgrade their equipment ahead of the 5G rollout in key markets. Among the worst performers, shares of Abiomed dropped by 20.22% on Monday. The double-digit plunge is traceable to a pair of clinical studies that were presented over the weekend that raise new questions about the usefulness of the company's impeller heart pumps. The stock plummeted to close at $178.09 yesterday, losing over 18% week on week. According to market watchers, investors continue hanging on to every word associated with the US-China trade war. Wall Street will also be watching closely for clues about the US consumers and the health of the battered retail sector heading into the holiday shopping season. On Wednesday, traders will keep a close eye on the Fed minutes, Lowe's, Target and L Brands earnings results. On Thursday, US existing home sales report will be out. Macy's, Gap, Nordstrom earnings reports. On Friday, investors will keep track of University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey, Foot Locker and J.M. Smucker earnings. You've watched a weekly financial review on Insta TV. Thank you and see you back soon.